Greetings, Team DPS. This is Alex Marrero, your proud superintendent, and we're here in Excel Academy, South Federal Boulevard. And you see some of our leaders in the background. We're about to start, but I want to bring in Miss Michelle Wright. Come on over. She is our collaborative director of schools for our Pathway schools, and this is our last school gathering where we learn from each other. Tell us a little bit more what we're planning to do this today.
Well, today, just like we've been doing all year, we engage in these visits to collaborate with our school teams and our central team members to support the school with focusing on the priorities, really just to make sure that we're focusing on instruction and getting better at instruction throughout the year.
How many Pathway schools are you supporting this year?
I support 10 schools.
10 schools. There are some districts that don't even have 10 schools, just so we're clear. And behind us, as if they can't hear us, because this is in a small room, we have representation from across our pathways, yes?
Correct, and our central team.
And our central team. Awesome. All right, folks, we're about to go into our classrooms here at Excel Academy. I'm excited. We have a nice pod, a collection from Central and Pathway leaders throughout our school system here for our last instructional round visit for the year. Let's make it a good one. Sígame, los buenos.
We're going to see an English 1, an English 3, and an astronomy. And I think you're going to see that our teachers are really engaged with our students and that we're focusing on making our next steps. At Excel Academy, we really focus on a small school environment, and our students here really see this as a family so that we know every student where they're going and what they need based off of what's going on in their lives.
What's your name?
I'm Diego.
Diego. What grade are you in?
I'm a senior.
Senior. And where did you start your high school journey?
I started at Lincoln, but I got transferred here because I was missing some credits. I was able to catch up in 1 year. I was able to catch up back to my original credit that I was supposed to have.
Awesome. I'll see you in class. I'm going to go in a moment, all right? As you all saw, that's Diego's testimonial, who didn't know that we were going to put him on the spot. So thank you, Diego. More importantly, our pathways create opportunities for students. So made up credits in a year, and he's on his way to excel, no pun intended. What we saw in classrooms is true collaboration and us honoring our core statement of getting better at getting better. Looking forward to continuing this practice under my leadership next year and beyond, so we can continue to grow as educators and make sure we have more Diegos in our pathway to success. Signing off, this is your proud superintendent, Dr. Alex Marrero.